Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove custom fields in GoHighLevel. If you've been accumulating unnecessary fields or simply need to clean up your workspace, this straightforward process will help you declutter your account and keep only the fields that matter to your business operations. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the GoHighLevel login page. Once you're there, sign in using your account credentials. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has administrative access, as you'll need the proper permissions to modify custom fields within the system. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation panel. Here, locate and click on the option labeled Settings. This is your central hub for managing all account configurations and customizations within GoHighLevel, including the custom fields we're about to work with. Within the Settings area, look for and click on Custom Fields. This section displays all the custom fields currently set up in your account, whether they're being actively used or not. You'll see a comprehensive list of fields that have been created over time, making it easy to review what's available and what might need to be removed. Now, scroll through the list to find the specific custom field you want to delete. It's important to note here that only custom created fields can be removed. System default fields are permanent and cannot be deleted. This is a built-in protection to ensure core functionality remains intact. Once you've located the field you want to remove, you'll see a few icons next to it. If you simply need to make adjustments, click the pencil icon to edit the field's properties. However, if you're ready to remove it completely, click the trash can icon or the delete option next to that field. This action initiates the deletion process. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to permanently remove this field. This is an important safeguard because once deleted, the field and any data associated with it cannot be recovered. If you're certain about removing it, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Finally, return to your custom fields list to verify that the field has been successfully removed. Scan through the list to ensure it no longer appears among your active fields. This quick check confirms that your workspace is now cleaner and more organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.